L'Oréal heiress Françoise Bettencourt-Meyers of France is worth $81.1 billion as of March this year. Famous celebrity Kim Kardashian made $1.7 billion in 2023. Both made to one of the top lists of the richest women in the world according to Forbes. According to the 2022 Top 10 Richest Self-Made Women in the World report by Forbes, out of the 327 female billionaires, 101 of them are self-made billionaires. Based on the report, there are 45 women billionaires from China, followed by 24 women billionaires in the United States of America. The remaining billionaires helmed from the rest of the world. Admittedly, there aren't many women billionaires. So, you might be wondering, how did they achieve that? Let's look at some of the ways on how women build wealth on their own that could help and inspire you to achieve your own financial success. Building wealth starts with making a financial plan. That means by taking the time to identify your goals and game out how you can accomplish them in the long run. Billionaires are always determined to put their ideas and dreams into action, whether starting a business and achieving other professional or personal pursuits. Let's take a look at these female superstars. Falguni Sanjay Nayar, born in Mumbai, India, is the founder and CEO of beauty and lifestyle retail company called Nykaa. Nayar is one of the two self-made female Indian billionaires in India. How did she become one of the female billionaires in the world's most overpopulated country? Nayar quit her corporate job in 2012 at the age of 50. She carefully observed the online market and its growth in India after she left her ideal life behind. She then saw a potential in the online beauty market segment in India. Without hesitation and with $2 million of her savings, she immediately set up Nykaa, an Indian e-commerce beauty company. Her love for makeup also plays a part in driving her to pursue the online platform for cosmetics in her country. According to Forbes, Nayar is worth $2.8 billion as of March this year. Looking at Nayar's journey to big fortune, you can also achieve the same by planning your financial goals thoroughly and start once you're ready. It is never too late to start now. One of the ways women can achieve wealth is to invest. They see investment as a tool to change their life. The number of women investors is surging. A 2021 study by a financial services corporation in the United States, Fidelity Investments, found that 67% of women are now investing. In 2018, it was just 44%. More are interested in investing since the pandemic. A 2022 global survey by a social trading and investment company in the United States found that 48% are new female investors out of the 9,500 female investors surveyed. Meanwhile, Fidelity Investments reported that half of women who took the survey in 2021 were more interested in investing since the pandemic. 33% of them were confident to make investment decisions, while 42% were confident in saving money for the long term. According to the State Street Global Advisors in the United States, in 2020, nearly 60% of the female in the United States were solely making investment decisions, while 40% out-earned their spouses. One prime example is Kim Kardashian. She has her hands on several different projects, from her reality TV shows to her makeup line, having her own ad, and currently she is exploring the investment industry. The 42-year-old star recently launched her own private equity firm called Sky Partners, together with her partner who worked for an investment firm. This is another great milestone for Kim Kardashian. To boost your earnings just like her, you should start investing, diversify your income portfolio, and let the money do the work for you. As the world evolves, more women have taken the effort to become financially literate, as it is an important aspect to their independence and achieving financial goals. Women are seen taking control of their finances and slowly building their wealth through education. To upskill themselves, women are attending financial or academic courses that are available offline or online. These courses range from money management, economic, entrepreneurship to smart investing. Available courses are, for instance, Basics of Financial Literacy for Women conducted by Udemy.inc and various other related industry courses by Massive Online Open Courses, MOOC. It's never too late for you to learn and enhance your skill set to get to where you dream of. Times are changing. While it cannot be denied that there is more that can be done, it is also fact that women are moving up the ladder, slowly but surely. Regardless of whether you are a man or woman, you should set yourself towards good life goals, educate yourself, and search for other means of income that could help you to improve your way of living and generate more wealth. Be sure to like, share, and follow for more valuable investment insights.